Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a new group in WhatsApp. So get started. At first, open your document. Now open the desktop. Now you can see. Now open the WhatsApp document. Now click from Chrome browser. Now click from new tab. Now select from WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp in the document. Now we can see open the WhatsApp. Now you can see. Now click from new chat option. Now click from new group. Now select. Now type from new group in the text. Now click from media option and select from channel. Now click from communities. Now click from community name. Now select from create option. That it's. Now I can say now already create from the new group. That it's. Now I can say create new group in WhatsApp is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.